Hello everyone, and welcome to our 6th tutorial. And in this tutorial we're going to be dealing with more HTML elements and HTML formatting. So in the previous video we looked at the basic structure and how we can assign attributes to an HTML tag. So let us assign our two attributes on our picture here, and I'm going to give it a width of 50 and then also give it a height of 50. So I save and I come here and I refresh so that maybe I make it about like 80 so that it's not too small and not too big. Okay, and save, then come back and refresh, and this is our basic HTML page that we have for now. So let's look at more tags. Okay, and to have a button you just have to open your tag, type in the word button, and then you close it up, and then this is our tag for a button. Then the button name goes in between, like let's say I am a button. So when we save and refresh, we shall see that we have a button right here. So that's how we insert a button. Then we have other tags like the form. If you want to have a form on our page, we shall be discussing more in the next tutorial. I will take you through. There are some tags that we can use to format the text that is being displayed on our page. Like let's say here we can choose to format our paragraphs accordingly. Okay, so let's look at some of them. So let's create a simple paragraph here and say this is my, and I want to put the word bold, so I'll put it in the big brackets and say bold word. So when I save and refresh, so here I say this is my, and I round this word with a B word. So when I come here and I refresh, you see that the word bold is bolded. So there's even another way of how you can bold something by using strong. So when you use strong and you enclose it with strong, it is displayed at the same, but the difference between the two is that when you use strong means that this word is important. So the search engines will query this word before any other word because it is saying that this word is important. The same applies to I. If I want to make my work italic, so I will change italic. I will change this to I, and when I save and then I refresh, I'll see that this word is italic. There's another tag that can also be used to italicize the word, and I can use EM, but this basically means that this is emphasized and is important. It will still be displayed as the same when I refresh by the same thing. So let's say if I wanted to make it a superscript, I would use a tag called sup, or you can pronounce it as sub depending on what you want, and when I save and I refresh, you find that my word here italic is put in what they call super case or power. And if I want to make it like subscript, I'll use sub, the keyword, and when I save and I refresh, you see that the word is beneath that word. So let's say if I wanted to strike through and delete, like across a line between the word, I would use the keyword delete. So I hope you are taking note of these tags. As I refresh, you see that the word italic is crossed through. Let's say if I wanted to highlight the word, I would use the tag called mark, and when I round my word with the tag called mark and I refresh, you'll find that my work is also highlighted. So these are some of the tags that you can use to format your HTML document, but in the next tutorial we are going to be looking at the lists and how we can come up with a navigation kind of links. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.